So I'm bringing you all in on how I plan my month. I'm not gonna lie, I get a little intimidated with YouTube. I just feel way more comfortable creating content on Instagram Reels or TikTok, but I'm getting out of my comfort zone and just doing a little more YouTube. I plan to do it more often and hopefully do a monthly plan with me video. So I wanted to bring you guys in on how I do things, why I do things, and maybe something I say is something you can implement to your own planning routine. So I like to color code everything. So I chose these 4 colors, and by the way, you can snag these stickers in my website in the exclusive studio. And they are already pre-cropped for you, and you can kind of just even recreate my monthly view, but obviously with your tasks. So I start off with writing all my recurring tasks, everything that needs to get done for sure. For example, I have church days, youth other days, I have Bible school, I have a YAM meeting, which is kind of, we host Bible studies in our house for our young adults. That's why it's called YAM. So first step is schedule in all the recurring events, my bills, the birthdays that are happening for the month. And even though I know this stuff is happening and maybe I don't need to write it in my planner, I love to see my planner at a glance and then kind of see the days that there's nothing going on so that I can plan around that. Now, I don't recommend for you to plan something for every day. If you can see, there's like a little blank sticker on Monday in the top because that is kind of my focus for the week. I don't like to give every single day a big task because sometimes, life happens and things can't get done. So your monthly view is kind of like what you're planning for. But if you can't get to whatever you wrote down, that's fine. Show yourself grace. So here I am adding some hex codes because I also like to write in the same colors of my stickers. I don't know why, I just can't mess with colors. I don't know if you see the little earth that is right there for Earth Day. Well, I ended up taking it off because the blue was just throwing me off, and I'm not a sticker fan. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a big sticker fan. I am trying to get out of my comfort zone and adding more stickers to my planner, but I'm just more of, I'd rather just writing and highlighting and my planner. But anyway, so here I am writing my goals for the month or things that I am planning on doing within those categories and color code systems that I was talking about. And then it's so cool that I get to write in the same color as the sticker because that's just I don't know, that's just how my brain works. It just makes me happy knowing I'm in the same color. Now I'm using some little plant stickers. These are in the shop. These aren't part of the freebies, but I literally have been using these for all my past spreads and I just love them so much. And then as you can see, I keep moving around stickers because I don't know why I feel like once I finished planning, there was just so much going on in my planner that I was wanting just less. I don't know if that makes sense. But anyways, so in the top, that sticker that I'm writing, I am giving my focus for the week. So for the first 2 weeks of April, I will be focusing on a new student planner. And on the last 2 weeks, I will be focusing on a teacher planner. And then I am giving myself that last week to focus on YouTube content because like I said, I do want to be more active on here. And then so there's no right way to plan your month. It's just based off what you need, what works for you. I also went back and looked at my March spread and just saw what didn't get done so I can add it to April. And that's what I love about digital planning. It's not about overwhelming yourself, but your planner serving its purpose in your life. Hope you all enjoyed this.